guys, it's me Jack with another video, another night Minecraft video. So today we're gonna do that. So you're gonna be excited for this because this is my first Minecraft video that I'm gonna do with you guys for today. I hope you have fun, have a nice day, and make sure you don't get those spider bites and stuff. Yeah, make sure there's no spiders in your house. Okay, let's get on with this Minecraft. Starting. It's gonna take one. So I never did. Let's just try a multiplayer. Guys, you gotta watch Jelly. I have his Minecraft server. You should go check it out at hoaxmc.com in the description. This is not. I don't know what's a description. This is my first Minecraft. Sorry. So we have Unspeakable server. I have Code Ninjas. I have Loft servers. I don't even know. What? Pinging? What? Wait, that used to say Minecraft Create Camp. This is weird. This is weird. I'm gonna go to Code Ninjas and play that again. I don't know why it said pinging. Pinging needs it. Plinging sounds weird. Lunch. Okay, guys, if you want to check out my Minecraft server, it's really cool. If go to my Minecraft server and it's called Kojak. Kojak.minehunt.gg. Go to the server right now. Don't mind my mom, she's just talking. So this is my Minecraft server. It's Kojak.minehunt.gg. I want you to join that server, and then that's gonna be my server. Have fun. Why did I click on it? Okay, so I'm going to multiplayer. Why did that say pinging? Okay, we're just gonna do some Roblox. Let's get on with this video. Let's get on with this video. So we have Noob Train. That's kind of a good one, but it's not that good. I don't know how to play Bloxburg. So today, I don't have a brother or sister. So today we're just gonna do Beat Up Simulator. I never did this one. It might be cool. I don't know. Oh my goodness, why is there a creepy guy smiling? Really weird. What? Keep doing this. What? Why do I look flat? Like, I love this one. I'm doing both. That was so funny. Love this. I'm not going to multiplayer. It has a bad song. So if you want to go to my channel, Papa and Jack reading kids books, you'll know it. It's weird. Dummy. What's this do? Pro. Wow. I don't know what this is called. What's this called? I need to show my mom this. Don't mind her. Pretend you're not. You can hear. Mom, look. Look at this. This is called Watch this. No, it's just a dummy. It's a dummy. Okay. Is that weird? It's just a dummy. Okay. Recycling simulator. Beta? What? What is this? Sure, we're gonna do this now. Recycling. I don't know what this is gonna be. Recycling simulator. Beta. Recycling. Oh. I don't know how to play this. Monkey, adopt me. That's it for today, guys. Hi, bye.